Hey guys, what's up? Jordean here and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got these nice, cute little box braids in my hair, make sure you stay tuned for this video. It took me so long, you guys. So if you don't have the time or the patience, you might want to not do this yourself. But I'm so excited how they turned out. So it's going to be a quick video, but make sure you guys stay tuned and check it out. I'm not sure why this camera is doing that right now, but take some of the cream and put it at the ends. Next braid, taking a little piece like this big, adding some of the cream, especially on the ends. I'm going to break this into 3 different sections and braid it all the way down to the ends. Oh, when I tell y'all my back hurts and my shoulder hurts, I'm just, whoo-wee. For the most part, I try to keep them the same size, but there are a few ones that are a little smaller than the others. But yeah, so once I get like down that way, I go through one more time just to make sure there's no knots in there. Now it's not perfect. You can see some of the little fuzz here because I'm not using any gel or anything. I don't want any of that on there. Once I get to the ends, I'm going to add a little bit more of the cream. Go down as far as I can go. Once I get down here, I'm just going to twist around my finger and let it get that little coil. So I think I have like 3 more braids to go. I'm back about this camera and we're going to finish. Yeah. Ugh. This is a struggle. Guys, I feel like I've been doing my hair so much lately. Like my hair, especially with this color in here, has been drying out. Putting all that gel in there from these wash and goes and these twist outs and stuff. Like this humidity and this air in South Florida is just not great for natural hair. So I needed to find me a style that will allow me to keep my hair like low manipulation, basically. Just leave it the hell alone. I'm going to London in like a month, a little bit over a month. So my goal is to leave it in at least until then. I don't do well with the styles. Usually after like 3 days I'm bored with it. But I did these so small because I wanted them to be hard for me to take out. I wanted it to be a challenge. I don't think I meant for them to be this small. But you know, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. So I put them in small just so I know I won't be tempted to take it out so quickly. And since I have like a 9 or 10 hour flight to London anyway, if worst comes to worst, I can take it out when I'm headed there. So if I'm on a plane and I'm bored and can't sleep or something, then I can take out my hair then. But no time before that. So no time before, we're going to say, I cannot take out my hair, what's today, the 15th? So I can't take out my hair anytime before the 17th of April. I'll get to London on the 18th, but I did put cream on my hands, you guys, if you were wondering. But I don't get to London until the 18th. But I'm so excited because that's a trip I've been planning for so long, like years. And I know my cousin was like, girl, you're never coming here. Stop lying. But this year I'm just like, nope, I'm going. I don't care. You know, I'm finally going to put myself first. Like, I don't care who needs what. I'm going. So I found me a flight. It was pretty cheap. Or not really cheap, but it was pretty decent. Because I feel like there's flights that are domestic that cost more than that. I think it was like a little bit less than $500. And I think that's amazing to go overseas. And I have family there, of course, so I'll be staying with them. So the trip is not costing me a bunch. Of course, I'll need money while I'm over there, you know, hanging out, getting my tourism on. But I don't have to really worry about you know, hotels and transportation like that. Like, I'll get me a little Oyster card or whatever they call them over there. I'm pretty sure, you know, my family will cook whenever they want, or we can go out to eat a few times. Like, I'm not going to be, you know, out there broke and stuff, but I'm excited. I think this is going to be dope. I'm so excited to see how this is going to turn out. We're on the last braid. Last braid, guys. Last braid. It is, I think I started at like 7:30. Not 7:30. I think I started at like 4:30. Or like 4:50. I don't even know what time it was I started. But I know it's been a while. What time was that? Nah, that's not when I started. I'm trying to find the exact time for y'all. Alright, so it was definitely around like 4:30 something. Because I remember my boss texted me at 4:16. And when she texted me, I was in the bathroom still blow drying my hair. So that was at 4:16. So I want to say I started around like 4:30, between 4:30 and 5 o'clock is when I started my hair. It is exactly midnight right now. It is 12 a.m. on the dot. And so it's technically the 16th right now. But I'm on my last braid. So let's say we started at 5 and it's now midnight. Can you guys count? Can you count? Do you see how many hours it is? A lot. But we're going to go with 4:30. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 7.5 hours that I've been doing this gosh darn hair. Non-stop. Non-stop. Like, I've spoken to my sister on WhatsApp, and my aunt and my cousins. We had like a little group chat, a group FaceTime on WhatsApp going on. I've been watching these Asian TV shows on Netflix. Super addicting. I don't know what my obsession is with Asian TV shows, but I've been watching a bunch of like TV shows and movies from like China, Japan, Korea, the Philippines, like a bunch of them. And I'm watching one now. The good thing about them is they're like 45-minute to an hour episodes anyway. So you watch like 5 or 6 of them and you're like, oh snap, time that went past. So that's what's been happening. I'm so hungry. I've been eating cookies and candy. I haven't had anything to drink in hours. Like literally since I started my hair, I haven't had anything to drink or no real food. But it's okay, because you know what? Ugh, your girl is done. Woo! I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where's my oil? We're going to take a little bit of this oil. I only got a little bit left, if you can tell. But it's my Hot 6 oil. We're going to take some of that. Rub it in. Get my ends for sure. I'm going to get into this scalp of mine. Whew. Ooh, guys. Do you see this? I'm going to go do my edges or try to like fix them things, and then I'll be back and y'all can see the final result. I don't really do baby hairs like that, but they look a little dry. So we're going to give it some life and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final results. Like I said, I don't really do baby hairs and I didn't leave that many of them out. But this is what it is. My skin looks horrendous, but whatever. Anyway, this is the end results. Let me turn to the back so you guys can see. There's probably like 300 braids in here. I don't know. I'm not going to count them. But this is where we're at right now. Whew, 7.5 hours of my life. That's how long it took to do this. So I'm tired. I'm about to go wash my behind, go to sleep. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. And eventually I'll do some cute styles with it. You know, wear it up, wear it in some puffs. Once again, I put it away. But I used the Natural 85. I used her Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. And a little bit of Hot 6 oil. Like I said, I didn't add any water. I did it on blow dried hair because I wanted to keep my length. I wanted to see, you know, I wanted it to be longer. I didn't want it to shrink up a lot. So, and originally I was going to do mini twists. I saw a girl do it on here, really small. And I was like, you know what? Take the time and just do it. It'll last you a while. So I said I was going to do that. However, I feel like the braids look neater to me and they last longer. So that's why I did the braids. I know I keep touching his hair, but I'm trying to figure out what I want to do to it. But yeah, so this is it. That's the end of the video. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this. Until next time, guys. See ya.